Hello everyone. Last day I show you how to upload a Netlify website without any 404 or another error. Today uh, I show you how to upload this Netlify website on uh, how to add the Netlify HTML website on Google Search Console for Google indexing. So let's get it started. First of all, you just click on your live website like this, or click a quick setup, and then choose a random name like test website, test website, test website, and update this name. Okay, this name is already exist. Then use this name. Um, then I click on finish later and click on the um, deploys and deploy settings. Then you scroll down and find this option post processing and click on add snippet. Here is you see the three section, insert, before, so here is the head and body section, and here is a name, and here is the HTML section. So we are go to a Gmail of our, here is my Gmail, and go to Google Search Console. Search Console, and here is the Google Search Console. Okay, then we just choose the URL prefix, and here is our URL of the website, and we just um, copy and paste here, and here is the HTML file, and uh, it is should go to in the head section. So copy it and just go to snippet name. You just uh, pick a name like console uh, code, and paste this search console code here, and here is the head. You can choose the head section, head, and click on save. Here's the here's the code is already saved. You can remove also, and here is click on verify. Then you see the your ownership is verified, like your HTML or another website, and you can track your ranking and another thing. So thank you. Here's the short video. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.